Five camera tips for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. When you are in the photo mode and you want to take a photo, you can make it in a few different ways. The first one, standard, you can tap on the shutter and the photo was taken. You can also use the volume buttons, volume up and down button, take a look. You can also drag this shutter to the left side, for example, and then use it. So when you cannot reach this shutter, you can drag this one wherever you want and also use it. You can also take photos by using your own voice. So to enable this option, you have to go for the settings. You have to go for the sharing methods and enable this option, voice comments. Right now, you can say smile and the photo was taken. The list of the voice comments you will find right here below. That's smile, cheese, capture, shot, or you can record the videos by saying record video. You can also use the zoom feature by pinching the screen with your fingers. You can use this presets right here, but honestly I have the better way how to use it, and it will looks definitely better on the video and also more stable on the photo mode. So you have to go for the settings, go one more time for sharing methods, and here you have to find this option, press volume keys, and you have to switch to zoom in or out. And right now take a look how great it works. For example, we are going to focus on this fox. You have to press on the volume up button to zoom in and take a look how great it works. You can keep your phone steady without shaking, and we can zoom in for sure for the 100 times. In the left upper corner you can find the small preview. Okay, it takes a little bit too much time, so I'm gonna show you on the preset how the maximum zoom looks like. There it is. And honestly, the quality is really good. But the image stabilization, it's not working properly, because as you can see, I'm holding my phone like that, and right now I try to a little bit move to the left, but it's still locking focus on the head of the fox, and it goes right now too far away. So using the 100 zoom is not the best feature on this smartphone, and probably they are gonna fix it in the next updates. Okay, right now when we are in the photo mode, I'm gonna show you how you can change the brightness level. So you can tap on the screen and then you can use the slider to decrease or increase brightness level. You can make it manually by tapping on the screen, and it works also in the video mode, portrait mode, and the more modes. It will work also on the night mode, single take, and few other. So it's definitely worth to get it. If you are using the tripod, you can use the time shutter, so you can pick 2, 5 or 10 seconds. So when you select, for example, the 2 seconds and press on the shutter, and the photo will be taken after this time. So it's also very useful when you are unable to use the voice comments and you cannot reach this shutter. You can also change look of your photo by tapping right here on this icon. So we got presets right here. As you can see, the color and the temperature has changed. There is a lot of different modes. You can adjust the strength of the filter by using this slider. Here we can find other filters. This one is really good, the vintage lightning. So we don't have to download any external application. And the last option, you can definitely use it. So it's the grid lines. When you enable this option and take a look right now on the screen, you can find this white lines, and they help us to take better composition of the photos. So for example, if I want to get this grid in the middle, right now I'm able to make it definitely easier. Okay, and that's all from the best tips. And the last option that I can show you, it will be like the extra option. It's right here, and it's called the location tags. So when you enable this option and then take the photo, and the description of the photo, you will find the exact location. Okay, right now it's not working, so I know what we have to do. Just simply enable location on the phone. Okay, it's actually enabled. Let's turn on location. Let's close the camera application, turn it on back, tap on the shutter. Let's take a look, and as you can see right now, when you reset the camera, the location is right here. So unfortunately, it's not working like on the other Android smartphones. When you tap right here, the Google Maps is not open, but you can copy this address and get the exact location on the map. So yeah, that's all. The most useful tips on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.